In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an invoice inside of Zoho CRM. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to the menu and click on these three dots called Other Modules. Then from here you'll see the second option, which is called Invoices. Then you need to click on that. Then from here, if you have never created an invoice before, you'll see this page, and here you just need to click Create Invoice. Then this page will be popping up, and here you can add an invoice owner, which automatically will be you, or you can also select someone else on your team. Then you can add a subject for this specific invoice. You can add an invoice date, a due date if you want to do that, a sales commission, and an account name. You can also add a deal name if you want to do that. You can add an order or sales order up here if you want to do that, purchase order, excise duty, a status, and a contact name. Then down here you can also add the address information. But if you choose an account name, it will automatically be selected down here. Then from here you can also add invoice items, and here you need to add in the product name for your invoice. You can also click Create New Product down here if you don't already have something. Then from here you can also add a description for the item, the quantity, and the list of pricing. And then you can see over here the amount in DKK for my example. You can add a discount, a tax, and see the total over here. Then from here you can also add a new row if you want to do that, or you can click delete it by clicking on this bin right here. Then you can see the subtotal, the discount, tax, and adjustments if you want to add that, and you can also select the terms and conditions and a description information. Then from here you're simply done, and you need to click save. And then you can see your invoice, and if you scroll down you'll see in your entire invoice where you can also add the notes, attachments, open activities, closed activities, or mails if you have that. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!